First, let's do the exercise. Now let's do the etude. Hey guys, thanks for watching my videos. I hope you're following along with the series of these etudes I'm posting on YouTube, and also take advantage of the walkthrough videos I'm posting for each of these on Patreon as well. Also including sheet music files and among some other things as well. So take a look, and hopefully we can get connected this way. And I appreciate your support and I appreciate your following. Thank you very, very much.